Hi, this is Mark Lavelle from Forethought Marketing. Today we're going to talk about 3 implementation options for integrations. Those 3 options are a customer-led implementation, a tactical integration, and a strategic integration implementation. Each one of these is escalating and increasing in terms of complexity and capability. The customer-led implementation is the most down and dirty, the most basic. We apply 10 hours to the project, we come in, we map your fields, very limited time. We do all the mapping and all the setup for you, but you need to come to the project knowing what you want, and you need to come to the project with a number of capabilities. There's a lot of things that aren't included in a customer-led integration, and I'm not going to list them all for you. You can see them all here on the screen, but these are things that are covered in tactical integration implementations and strategic implementations. It's best if you try and do a customer-led implementation that you come to the project with several things. You need project management experience, you need integration experience, you need Eloqua-specific experience, and you need CRM experience. Not necessarily all in one person, but among the team. If your team doesn't have all of these capabilities, a customer-led implementation is probably not for you. The next level of implementation is a tactical integration. Now, a tactical integration is probably the most common that we do. We allocate 36 hours for it. It includes needs analysis, project management, best practices, standard campaign tracking, a design document, testing, user acceptance testing, sales tools setup, launch support. We really take you through the entire process. But there is, again, a difference between that and the higher level of a strategic implementation. And that is that a tactical implementation really moves information from database to database. Basically, the information is we're not looking at the bigger picture. We're not looking at anything involving processes in terms of forms and how data moves in through imports and how it might affect the sales reps and territory assignment and the bigger process. All a tactical implementation really does is look at the database to database, the Eloqua database to the CRM database integration. Now, a strategic implementation is much broader. It really considers the business processes, all the way from how forms are going to create data that flow in through the integration into the CRM system, affecting the CRM system on the other side, all the way through territory management and different departments, and maybe even modifying the CRM UI and triggers in the CRM system. It's a much broader implementation. It's really looking at it from a business process perspective as opposed to a database to database perspective. So those are the 3 options: customer-led, tactical, and strategic. If you have any more questions, please call us, and we'd be happy to hear from you via email as well. In the meantime, we have 3 videos which you may find interesting that are related to both Eloqua and integrations. Thanks for watching.